Hi students, welcome to English class. Today, let's learn about email writing. Email writing is one of the most important questions that comes for ICSE examination. And the mark allotted for email writing is 5 mark. Let's see how we can easily score this full 5 mark for email. Question: write an email to the principal of neighboring school informing her of the event and requesting her to send a team to participate for the inter-school debate competition. Let's check how to write an email with full points. First of all, we need to write the mail ID. When you're writing mail ID, be careful to write the designation of the person as well as the organization name. Over here the question is to write a mail to the principal of the neighboring school. So the designation should be principal, and since it is neighboring school, name of school need to be written in order to frame a valid mail ID. So let's write a valid mail ID. Over here it is principal bluebellschool@gmail.com. After writing the mail ID, the next point is the subject. Subject is what is given in the question itself. It is about inter-school debate competition. So you have to write the subject as inter-school debate competition. Next is salutation. You're writing to the principal of the neighboring school. Means that it is a formal letter or a formal mail. So the salutation will be either Dear Madam or Dear Sir. Next is writing the opening sentence. While composing mail, as far as board exam is concerned, there should be an opening sentence as well as closing sentence. So, how you can begin the mail is by writing an opening sentence. It can be of any form. Over here, it is written as, our school is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. Any of such opening sentence is compulsory to get full mark for email. Then another essential thing that is required for email is valid content points. As far as board exam is concerned, important content that they will be checking includes the subject matter, that is inter-school debate competition, then date, then time, then venue. This email is just the continuation of the notice which I have shown in the previous video. So whatever you have written in the content part of the notice should be written, the same thing need to be copied in the email. So the 4 important content points includes subject, date, time and venue. After writing the contents, how you can sum up the mail is you can write other essential points which is required, but important point to be included while ending the mail is ending or the closing sentence. Closing sentence can be of any form like, we look forward to your school's participation in the competition, or hoping that you'll send your team for the inter-school debate competition. Any such ending sentences compulsory for email. After writing the ending sentence, you can end up the letter using the subscription like thanking you, yours faithfully, name of the person and designation. Thanking you, yours faithfully, because this is formal letter, so yours faithfully. After that, name of the person. If all these essential important points are there, you can fetch full 5 mark for the email. So let's recollect important points that need to be included in the email once more. Valid mail ID. Valid mail ID includes the designation of the person like principal, manager or something like that, plus name of the organization. If it is school, name of school. Over here it is principal bluebell school at gmail.com. After that, subject matter. Subject matter will be the one, can be the same as what is given in the question paper. It is about inter-school debate competition. After that, salutation. Usually mail will be sent to some of the officials. So definitely salutation need to be a formal one like dear sir or dear madam. After that, an opening sentence. Then 4 important points that need to be included in the content, that is subject matter, date, time and venue. After that, ending note or the closing sentence, like we look forward to your school's participation in the competition. Then finally, ending note, yours faithfully, since it is formal letter plus name of the person and designation. Now let's check the mark distribution for this email writing. For writing a valid mail ID, half mark. For writing the subject, half mark. For salutation, dear madam, half mark. Opening sentence, our school is celebrating 50th anniversary, half mark. Then the 4 important content points, subject, date, time and venue, 2 marks. Closing sentence, half mark. And finally, ending note, yours faithfully and name of the person, half mark. Total 5 mark. If all these points are there, definitely full 5 mark will be allotted for mail writing.